How much does a push pier cost? Correct answer? Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So, a question that was brought up was, how much does a push pier cost? Well, it's kind of an open-ended question because are you talking about the material? Are you talking about how much it costs in California, Oklahoma, Texas, Virginia, Florida? Like I said, every state and every section of the country varies depending on that state's requirements and legislation that it has behind it. So California being the lovely state that it is, we pay an exceptional amount in workers' comp, liability insurance, taxes, and just a whole bunch of other stuff that goes into actually that pier and the cost of that pier. So a pier in California that can cost $1,800 can end up costing, let's say, $700 or $1,000 in Texas or Arkansas, and then in the same area in Virginia, let's say it's going to cost another 17 or 18. Just depends on each state's requirements and how much it's regulated to the contractor that's installing it. So there's a lot that goes into it, and that's the reason that you see so much difference in price throughout the country. So I hope that helps, and that's your foundation repair tip of the day.